With the Delta variant spreading rapidly in an unvaccinated population and COVID-19 cases spiking around the world, the pandemic is far from over. Despite the impressively fast development of SARS-CoV-2 diagnostic tests over the last year and a half, the vast majority of patient sample must still be sent to lab for processing, which slows down the pace of COVID-19 case tracking. The one thing we all are not aware is, if a sample is to be tested for a specific variant of the virus like alpha, beta, gamma, delta, it must be genetically sequenced, which takes even more time and resources. Currently, RT-PCR test is used to be a standard testing method to detect the presence of corona in the body. But the RT-PCR also having many disadvantages associated with it. Some of the problems associated with this are sensitivity, reproducibility and specificity, and the long-term complications due to rapid multiplication of viruses may give false positive in case of RT-PCR. Apart from these technical drawbacks, it is expensive and time-consuming one which creates anxiousness in the common citizen. So to overcome this, scientists from Harvard University and Massachusetts Institute of Technology (MIT) have created an inexpensive CRISPR-based diagnostic test that allows users to test themselves for SARS-CoV-2 and multiple variants of the virus using the sample of their saliva at home, with no extra instrumentation needed. The diagnostic device called Minimally Instrumented SHERLOCK (miSHERLOCK) is easy to use and provides results that can be read and verified by an accompanying smartphone app within 1 hour. Now if you see this smartphone app connected device from Harvard University, it will remind us recently introduced India's first at-home COVID self-test kit called as COVISELF. So what's the difference between miSHERLOCK and our Indian product COVISELF? COVISELF is one-time usable test kit which has been developed by MyLab Discovery Solution, a Pune-based molecular company. It uses a rapid antigen test in which nasal swab sample is tested for the virus and gives results within 15 minutes. Taking the test takes hardly 2 minutes and this testing kit costs 250 rupees. However, unfortunately during the second wave, up to 40% of COVID-19 positive patients were diagnosed as COVID negative in RT-PCR, and this could be due to manipulation in the genome of the virus. Since RT-PCR itself is providing false results, we are not sure whether this COVISELF home test kit works for all the corona variants or not. So, is there any other Indian-made self-testing kits that can detect all kind of variants? Well, there are 6 self-testing kits approved by ICMR in India and you can see their names in this image. And there is one more self-testing kit from University of Mysore which claims to detect many types of COVID-19 variants and waiting for ICMR approval. All these self-testing kits are one-time usable and works based on the samples collected by nasopharyngeal or nasal routes. Harvard-made device can successfully distinguish between 3 different variants of SARS-CoV-19 and can be rapidly reconfigured to detect additional variants like Delta. This device can be assembled using 3D printer and commonly available components for about $15, and reusing the hardware brings the cost of individual assay down to $6 each. After going through the mechanism, I feel it's not a kit like other self-testing kits. It's more like a device designed appropriately to eliminate false results and to provide accurate results to the user. So I think I can say it as a mini alternative device for RT-PCR. That's it guys, I hope you guys liked this video. Please do subscribe and press that bell button to get updates from my channel. This is your Vignesh. See you guys in the next video with one more medical update.